Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add date and time picker in Contact Form 7. So first of all, let me go in dashboard, and now we need to install a free plugin. So click here, add plugin, search for essential add-ons for Contact Form 7. So we need to install a plugin that's called Essential Add-ons for the Contact Form 7. This one is the plugin. Now activate this plugin, and then let's skip this step. Now scroll down, and here you can see, make sure that you have enabled this field date and time. Then go back to the contact forms, scroll down and click here contact form 1. So now these are the additional fields. So now let me go here and select. Now click here date and time. Then let me add a label, select date and time, then click on save button. And now let's reload this page. Now let's go and select date and time. So in this way you can easily add date and time picker in contact form 7.